collection of mostly 80s Yamahas and Hondas. They're all small bores. This one's an SR250. It's got 28 miles on it. It's absolutely Concord condition, top to bottom, 100% mint and original. Original tires. Everything's original on this bike except for the gold chain and the battery. It's a absolute time capsule. Guys, born March of 1980. This bike's 45 years old, and it looks like the day it came out of the box. It has 28 original miles. We bought 20 vintage, brand new NOS Yamahas, Hondas, Suzukis, and a couple of RD 400s from this guy last year. And this one is, well, it looks like it just came out of the crate. Has original tires on it, original seat, all the chrome's original on it. It's just been given a full preservation service. We flushed out the tank, Caswell sealed the tank, put a new fuel petcock on it, new fuel line, new air filter, cleaned the carburetor because it had gas in the float bowl for 40 years. Cleaned the carb, got it fired up, changed the oil, put a new spark plug in it, and gave it a full rotisserie detail. All the aluminum on it was polished, all the chrome was polished, all the plastic parts and rubber parts are cleaned and polished, and it looks like it just came out of the crate. Literally, crate brand new. The engine cases, the aluminum on it, it was polished to a brilliant shine, machine polished. The fork lowers were polished. That's not chrome, that's polished aluminum. The brake backing plates were polished. The entire bike was meticulously cleaned, professionally polished, and professionally serviced. These are notoriously reliable bikes. In fact, we did a video on one. Guy had turned it into a cafe racer. He had 99,000 miles on it, just about to break 100,000 miles on it, and it was original engine. They're absolutely freaking bulletproof. We also had another client we bought one from. The guy had one arm, and he set up the bike to ride with one arm, and he rode it as a commuter. He had 37,000 miles on it. Both of them ran great. This one's brand new, never been used. It was just driven every couple of, every summer he'd take it out, take it for a little ride, just keep everything going, but it's got 28 miles on it. So it's as close to brand new as you'll ever find one anywhere on planet Earth. So it takes a special guy to buy a bike and sit on it for 40 years and never use it. So unfortunately he passed away. So sadly, but he had a couple bikes he rode. He rode the RD 400s. Those had some miles on them, but he just kept them. He liked looking at them, and he kept them indoors. And here's the result. 45 years later, a true time capsule. It's going up for sale on eBay. If you have any questions, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Thanks for watching. God bless America.